Hamilton Ridge in West Mobile, Alabama. My featured home of the day is this Victoria floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom with 2.5 baths. It's over 2,300 square feet. It features beautiful quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths, tray ceiling in the living area as well as the primary suite. This is one of the gold fortified homes, so that drastically reduces the price of your homeowner's insurance premium, and this home comes with a smart home package. The builder pays up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me, let me show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.